Hi everyone, this is Hanbong Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain things that's been added to version 5.8.5. There are several new things, but since Big Sur has not been released, it's just increasing 5.8 version for now. Main new thing is Next widget. This widget shows one next task from next page inside the app. Next page is where you focus on one next task on certain list. You can select a list and view on the settings page below. After that, you can select one of the lists on the widget settings page. On this widget, you can tap Task Area to go directly into the task detail page. If you tap other places, it'll open next page. If you have a link attached to the task, that button will be shown too. If you're on focus mode, which tracks time in next page, it'll be shown on widget too. You can select whatever list on the widget, but if you're on focus mode, that currently focusing list will be shown. Overall, widget performance has improved a lot. You need to re-add medium and large size list widgets due to some changes. New calendar types has been added on these sizes. You can choose day on medium, day and month on large size. Syncing completed tasks option has been removed, and past completed tasks are always searchable with better performance. You can scribble to add on iPad. Start scribbling on header inside the list. New task will fetch the characteristics of the header automatically. For example, if you scribble on today's section header, today will be added. If you scribble on tomorrow's section header, tomorrow will be set. This will work for lists, tags, and priorities too. Bulk Actions has been improved to have Due Date Picker button and List Change button. You can change due date and list right away without adding quick actions. You can also set bulk action as swipe action. Go into Settings, General Swipe Actions, and choose bulk action. When you swipe to run bulk action, that task will be selected. Hope you enjoyed the update and get it done with GoodTask. Thanks.